I'm going to dismantle this wardrobe.
As we can see, the clothes rods and the drawers are removed. The next step, I'm going to remove the shelves. The bottom shelf came out easily, but the top one was getting caught on the door. After struggling with it for a bit, I decided to take the doors off first. After taking the doors down, I found these are concealed cabinet hinges. We just need to pull the release lever to separate the hinge from the mounting plate and clip it back on when we are done, which means there's no need to unscrew the entire hinge from the wardrobe. Now the shelves and the doors are removed. The next step is to take out the back panel so we can remove the top and bottom pieces. We can see that the back panel is nailed to the four sides to hold the wardrobe together. We need to remove all the nails to take every piece apart. But for our purpose, we'll only take out the nails along the top and bottom pieces. Since the nails are hammered all the way in, I use a small flathead screwdriver to lift the nail head slightly. This gives me enough space to grab it with a pair of pliers and pull it out without damaging the back panel. Next, we loosen the 6 cam screws along the top and bottom pieces by turning them counterclockwise. Keep in mind that we're not removing the screws, just turn them about 180 degrees. Then gently tap the 2 side panels with a mallet to help separate them from the top or bottom piece. Now the wardrobe is dismantled. Like I said before, I didn't take out the nails on the side panels. To fully remove the back panels, we only need to pull out the nails along the sides.